Asma. I'm very happy to be here and to share with you some of the implications that the coronavirus crisis has had for organized crime and criminal groups in Latin America. So the idea for this lecture is just to give you an overview, because obviously the crisis had many different impacts on the many different countries that make up the region. So the idea is just to give you an overview, and then we can go deeper in the Q&A. I'm going to focus on three specific implications. Firstly, criminal governance, which criminal groups have sort of enhanced during this crisis. And then I'm going to talk about the financial difficulties that the crisis had for different criminal economies, such as drug trafficking, extortion, and human smuggling. And I'm also going to mention some of the new markets that there's been some evidence that have been emerging, possibly because other markets have been affected. So groups are sort of moving into new markets to have more streams of income.
Thank you for your lecture, Victoria. We are now going to move into our question and answer session. To start off, I'd like to ask that you mentioned cartels enforcing ceasefires. Has there been a reduction in violence between gangs and cartels during this period?
So in the case of the ceasefires, it was specifically the ELN. I think this is the only recorded case of ceasefire, and violence has decreased in the areas where they operate. But in other areas, the complete opposite has happened because, on the one hand, so this is the case of Colombia within the ceasefire.